In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Cloud, a powerful suite of cloud computing services offered by Google. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this guide will simplify the process and get you started on your cloud computing journey in just about 5 minutes. First and foremost, let's talk about why you might want to access Google Cloud. Google Cloud offers a wide range of services from computing and storage to big data, machine learning, and more, all designed to help you scale your projects and work more efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the homepage of Cloud Computing Services vertical bar Google Cloud. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options and resources. But for today, our focus is on accessing your Google Cloud account. Now look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing Google Cloud. Click on it and you're one step closer to entering the vast world of cloud computing services. Next comes selecting your Google account. If you're like most people, you might have multiple Google accounts for personal and professional use. A screen will display the list of Google accounts available on your device, or you might need to add a new account if it's not listed. Choose the account you wish to use for Google Cloud. This selection will directly impact your access and billing, so make sure it's the correct account associated with your cloud projects. After selecting your Google account, you will be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you input your password correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. Google places a high priority on security, so this step is crucial for verifying your identity and protecting your data. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also need to complete this additional step. Following the successful entry of your password, you'll see the Next button beckon. Click on it to proceed. You're almost there. Before we conclude, it's important to note a key point regarding the use of Google Cloud. Although accessing Google Cloud services and setting up an account is free, Google does request your card details. This might be surprising, but it's a standard practice for cloud services. It helps Google verify users and enables you to seamlessly transition to paid services should you choose to scale your projects beyond the free tier limits. Rest assured, providing your card details at this stage doesn't incur any charges. You're simply one step away from unlocking the incredible resources Google Cloud has to offer. And just like that, you're in. Welcome to Google Cloud. From here you can explore Google Cloud's dashboard, where a myriad of services and resources await. Whether you're interested in computing power, storage solutions, AI, or data analysis, Google Cloud has the tools to support your projects. In conclusion, logging into Google Cloud is a straightforward process that opens up a world of opportunities for developers, businesses, and individuals alike. From navigating to the Google Cloud homepage, clicking the Sign In button, choosing your Google account, entering your password, and finally clicking on Next, each step is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. And remember, while your card details are required to fully engage with Google Cloud, this industry standard practice ensures a seamless experience as you dive into Google Cloud's extensive offerings. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to easily access Google Cloud. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance navigating Google Cloud's numerous features, feel free to reach out or consult Google Cloud's comprehensive help resources. Happy cloud computing,